I'm going to show you how you can make real money as an Amazon affiliate. Even if you're a complete beginner, don't have a website, and think this space is too competitive. Because once you understand this simple strategy, you'll see why thousands of people are earning passive income just by recommending products they already use. And I'll walk you through exactly how you can start today. Hey, I'm John. A couple of years ago, I was desperately trying to make money online, but nothing seemed to work. I tried posting on social media, doing surveys, flipping items, and every single thing felt either too complicated or just a complete waste of time. Then I discovered Amazon's affiliate program, and for the first time, something actually clicked. I didn't need a big following, I didn't need a website, and I didn't need to sell my own products. I just had to recommend things I was already using. And once I figured out the right way to do it, everything changed. That's why I'm sharing this today, because if I could start with zero experience and make it work, you absolutely can too. Let's get into the strategy step. 1. Understand how Amazon affiliate marketing actually works. Before you earn anything, you need to understand what Amazon's affiliate program really is. It's one of the simplest online income systems because Amazon handles everything: shipping, returns, customer service, product quality, and checkout. Your only job is to recommend products, share your linklet. Amazon do the rest. When someone clicks your link and buys anything within 24 hours, you earn a commission. And the best part? You don't only earn from what they clicked, you earn on everything they add to their cart. That's why this works even for total beginners. You might be wondering, but the commission seems small. Can I actually make money? Yes, because Amazon's trust factor and conversion rate are among the highest in the world. People buy on Amazon without even thinking twice. Understanding this sets the foundation for everything else. Step 2. Choose a niche that makes recommending easy. The fastest way to fail is by promoting random items. The fastest way to succeed? Pick a niche. Examples: kitchen gadgets, home office gear, tech accessories, fitness gear, beauty and amp, skincare, pet products, home organization, camping, and outdoor gear. Your niche should be something with lots of Amazon products, lots of search traffic, something you can create content about. If you like fitness, recommend fitness gear. If you love cooking, recommend kitchen tools. If you love tech, recommend gadgets. When your niche is consistent, your audience trusts your recommendations, and trust equals clicks. Step 3. Pick products. People actually want to buy once you have your niche. Choose products that make sense for your audience. Look for best sellers, highly rated items, trendy or problem-solving products, items you personally use, affordable products that convert well. If you're in the home office niche, promote laptop stands, microphones, desk lamps, ergonomic chairs. If you're in the kitchen niche, promote air fryers, blender cups, organization tools, pots, and pans. People love buying things that solve a problem or make life easier, especially if they trust the person recommending it. Now that you know what to promote, let's talk about how to actually make money. Step 4. Create content that naturally recommends products. This is where the money truly starts. People don't click links because you have them. They click because you've shown value. Here are the best content types for Amazon affiliates. YouTube product reviews, top 10 lists, Amazon must-haves, best budget gadgets under $30. Comparisons. People search before they buy. YouTube is incredibly powerful. Pinterest, perfect for home decor, makeup, fashion, gift guides. Kitchen gadgets, organization hacks. Pinterest is a search engine. Your pins can bring passive traffic for years. Blog posts, SEO brings long-term clicks. Posts like 10 Amazon kitchen tools you didn't know you needed, or top 5 microphones for beginners. These convert very well. TikTok and Instagram short content works wonders. Amazon finds you actually need. Things I found on Amazon that surprised me. Home office essentials from Amazon. You don't even need to show your face, just show the product. Your job is simple. Show the product, explain the benefit, encourage curiosity. Amazon handles the rest. Step 5. Optimize your content and place your links correctly. Simply having a link isn't enough. You must place it where people will click. Place affiliate links naturally. In YouTube descriptions, in blog posts, behind Pinterest pins via your site or bridge, in TikTok IG captions, in product roundups, use clear calls to action examples. Here are the Amazon links to everything I mentioned. Check the first link in the description. All products are linked below. People click when you tell them where to click. Use simple search keywords. People search things like Best Amazon Gadgets, 2025, Home Office Gear under $50, Amazon Favorites for small spaces. If your titles and descriptions include those keywords, you'll get passive traffic long-term. Update your content regularly. Amazon products go in and out of stock. Refresh your lists to keep earning. Add a simple disclosure. Amazon requires it. This video contains affiliate links. I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. This builds trust and keeps you compliant. So now you know exactly how Amazon affiliates make money. Choose a niche. Pick products that people want, create simple content that helps them, and put your affiliate links where they're ready to buy. Follow these 5 steps consistently, and this becomes one of the easiest online income streams to grow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more interesting content.